Hello guys, welcome to Jujubi Designs. In today's tutorial, I'm going to be teaching you how to download and install fonts to your Pixellab successfully. So before we get into it, kindly like, subscribe, share and comment as we start this video. So before we start the video, what you have to download before you download your font, you have to download your ZArchiver app. You can easily get that from Google Play Store, but the link will still be in the description below. So after successfully downloading your ZArchiver, you go to your Google and search for a font you want to download. Let me search for Gilroy font. I'll be giving you guys the font website where you can download fonts easily in the description, so you can just check that and you have to see a lot of websites you can use to download any font you like. So once I've seen this font now, my website is dafont.com. So I just click on it. So it's going to tell me about the font family and the typeface it is and how everything. So you scroll down to a place where they wrote download. You click on download. You scroll down again, it's going to show you the size. Still scroll down to the place where they wrote download again. So Gilroy phrase it, you click on download. So you're going to download it, then you go back, so it is downloaded. You click on it and it's going to take you to you open it your ZArchiver. This is what you use to extract your file. So after opening it in the ZArchiver, this is what you see. So you click on the Gilroy free. So it's going to show you the font, and the fonts can either come in TTF or OTF. So this one came in OTF, so you're going to click on two fonts. You click on one, you click on the three right dot button up there, you click on multi-select, you click on the two fonts you want to extract, so you hold it down, it's going to show this, then you release it, then you click it again, then it's going to show the extract button. When you click on the extract button, then you go to this place. Let me use my brush to show you. You click on this. So I have to do this again. So when you click on that, it's going to show you all this. You click on your download. So after clicking on your download, it will bring you to this place. So you just click on the extract button now. That's the yellow button on the button here. You just have to click on it. Then it's showing you this extracting. Then it's decompressed. So if I go to my Pixellab now, you can now exit it. So once I go to my Pixellab, hello, so I'm back on my Pixellab now. I want to search the font we just downloaded, so I just double click on this. So you go to your fonts now. And you search for it. The name of the font is Gilroy. So you see, you have successfully downloaded your font and installed it on your Pixellab. So this is how to install it, guys. Simple as that. So I'll be giving you guys 3,000 free fonts. You can download it from the description below. And after that, you have to download the fonts, and I'm sure you guys now, after watching this video, you'll know how to install the fonts on your Pixellab. So thank you, have a nice day.